What's up everybody, and welcome back to The Golden Life. And in today's video I am sharing my non-toxic laundry routine. Now if you've been in my channel before, you already know that me and laundry, we do not get along. We have like a love-hate relationship, but you know, it is what it is. This year my goal is to really make sure I am staying on top of laundry, because I am a family of 6 and laundry just kind of gets out of control very quickly. I mean, I can do laundry, have the hampers be completely empty, and by the time the day is over, I feel like it's full again, just because there's so many of us. So if you need the laundry motivation, join me today and let's get to this laundry. All right, so this is actually going to be day 2 of doing laundry. The day before I only had 2, maybe 3 loads of laundry to actually fold. I didn't have to wash them. They were already washed, but they were just sitting in baskets. And so I'm going to go ahead and throw in another load. And I am using the 7th generation laundry detergent as well as their fabric softener. And I kind of already have all of the clothes separated, but I am going to separate a little bit more. I like to wash all like socks, underwear, and pajamas in warm to hot water. And then I will wash everything else in cold or warm water, depending on what it is. Depending on how messy or clean my house is will determine if I'm going to relax or if I still have work to do around the home. So on this particular day, I just had to clear out the sink because there was a few dishes, nothing too major, and just kind of prepare, because I do have to go ahead and wash more of my cloth diapers. If you guys do not know, I decided this year with my last child that I wanted to start cloth diapering, and I love it. I have a whole couple of videos on cloth diapering, first impressions of what my thoughts are. So I have 2 videos on that, and then I also share a little bit more in detail of how I actually clean them. So if you want more information, I'll put it up in the cards for you guys to check that out as well. Okay, so to pre-wash or pre-soak my diapers, I like to use the Suds by Dr. Bronners, and a little bit, just a little bit, because a little bit goes a long way and you don't want to be wasteful. And then I also top it in with a half a cup of the Branch Basics Oxygen Boost. I'm telling you guys, I know you guys have heard me before. If you've been in my channel, you already know I really love the Oxygen Boost. And you can use it on multiple things, not just like for like laundry. You can use it to scrub like those the back of your dishes, the pots, if it's like really stained. You know how it kind of gets like that burning? Just dab a little bit on it, let it sit for maybe like 3 to 5 minutes, and then scrub it out. I am going to be trying it on my stove because my stove needs some TLC. So stay tuned for that. I will definitely be trying it out there. Okay, so comment down below, because I feel like it's just my kids, but let me know that I'm not alone, unless I am. But my children, they seem to follow me from room to room, no matter what room they're in. They never seem to be in their room. So when I was folding laundry, I was like, you know what? I'm going to go in their room for 2 reasons. 1, because they have the best lighting in the house. And then 2, because they're never in here. So I was like, this will be perfect. They'll never be in here, blah, blah, blah. That's what I was telling myself. As soon as I step foot in the room, here they come. They never play in their room. So let me know down below. Do your children follow you from room to room, or is it just my family? Okay, so I know in my last video I straightened up a little bit in my closet, but I really just focused on my daughter's clothes. To be honest, I didn't really worry about my clothes or my husband's clothes. So I am going to be just straightening things out, making sure everything is like on the hangers properly, wiping down the dresser, and I'm going to take all of our shoes out and vacuum underneath. And I am going to be making a little DIY, what is that stuff, to like carpet refresher, just because I do have a daughter who is going to be crawling, or she is crawling, as you guys can see. She's crawling, and I know she's never in here, but this is just kind of what I use around the carpets around the home, and it's just really simple: baking soda and essential oils. And our closet in our room was just feeling really stuffy, and as soon as I didn't want to even vacuum it up because I was like, oh, it smells so good and fresh. And so this is just kind of how I did it. I think I used maybe like 20 to 30 drops. You can use whatever you want. I say the more the better, just because it will make the room really smell really, really fresh. Okay, so moving over to my side of the closet, I am just kind of going through everything and making sure that I still wear everything, make sure I still like it and want to keep it, because I don't like to have too much stuff. I know that sounds crazy, but I'm not a minimalist, but I feel like if I'm not wearing it, or if it's not, up to par, maybe like it's just old and dingy, I like to typically get rid of it. I don't like to hoard a bunch of stuff. Me and my husband are opposites on that. I just like everything to have a purpose, and if I'm going to use it, I'm going to keep it. If I'm not going to use it, it's got to go. That's just kind of how I try to live my life. But there are certain things that I just don't want to get rid of, just because they are so comfortable. Like even like there's these pair of pants that my husband owns, and I don't even know why I'm sharing this with you, but they're his pajama pants, and I'm always wearing them, and they are so just raggedy, and neither one of us will get rid of them just because they are so comfortable. And I'm saying we, like they're mine, but if you're a wife, you already know, and you live with your significant other, you already know you wear their stuff all of the time. I know for me, for sure, I live in his boxers, his t-shirts. Actually, this t-shirt is his. He actually somewhat gave it to me just because the baby ended up getting milk and stained, or she maybe threw up on me, I don't know, and it's stained. And so now he's like, you owe me a shirt, but the shirt is comfortable. I'm like, you can't even really tell like that. Anyway, let me know down in the comments, do you guys feel me on that, or am I just nuts? right, you guys, I know you guys weren't expecting a whole nother load of laundry, but yes, we are almost done. I am on my final few pieces of clothes to fold, and we are going to wrap this video up for today. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you guys found all the motivation you needed to get your laundry or anything done around your home. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.